Hello, welcome to World Meets Nerd. I know, you probably all heard about these killer clown sightings all over the US and now in the UK. But it looks like someone is finally doing something about it in Cumbria. Who's the most famous character for taking down a clown known as the Joker? Well, of course, surprise, surprise there, it's Batman. Although the symbol on Superman's chest may stand for hope, this time we can use the bat signal. The Cape Crusader has left Gotham and has been spotted in Whitehaven, Cumbria. I know this probably sounds ridiculous and very bizarre, but it's definitely great to hear some positive news amidst all these creepy clown sightings. Children and adults have been running scared from these clowns, and after hearing about all these traumatized children, Cumbria superheroes wanted to put these children at ease by publicly patrolling the streets in his Batman costume. More and more pictures of the Batman have been surfacing, and so children and their parents are thanking the Dark Knight on Facebook and Twitter for all of his help. Some saying, "What a fab way to reassure kids, love it. I'm not scared now, Batman's on the case." Show the kids this so they won't be scared anymore. Even BBC is warning clowns to beware of the Batman. So thank you, Cumbria superheroes, for helping children and adults sleep a little bit easier at night. It may just be a man in a Batman costume, but Batman himself is a symbol of hope as well. So cheers to that, and cheers to this guy who nailed it on the head with this tweet. He says, "Clowns terrorizing the streets, a real-life billionaire villain running for president. We need you, Batman." So Batman, I think it's time for you to come save America. Cool? Thanks. Anyways, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up for me and subscribe down below to see more of this face talking about nerdy things. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay rad.